This is how to disavow links in Google Search Console. First, go to this URL to disavow link, then prepare your disavow file. To make a disavow file, just type in domain, and the link of the website you want to disavow. So for instance, if you want to add, so domain, say for instance, Pinterest.com, and save this disavow file as text. So let's go back, and here you can see select property. So just click this one and we'll select a property. Then we will click upload disavow list and we'll choose the disavow file. Click open. And we have uploaded the disavow file. If you want to replace the file, just click replace. Or if you want to back up this disavow file, just click download list. So this is how to disavow links in Google Search Console.